Welcome back, everybody. Another Lego Monday, week 3 of the 69 Camaro build. If y'all hadn't been in, I'm just doing 15 minutes at a stretch just going through it 15 minutes at a time and taking as long as it takes to get the build complete. I'm hoping it picks up steam here a little bit. I don't know if it will or not, but because this is going to take a long time if it doesn't. But I'm good with that. If y'all sort of bear with me. Let's see. Okay. Just trying to. It's just sort of. I've been doing high-speed builds for a while, and I just sort of wanted to. Last few weeks I've been doing real time, and it's sort of, honestly, it's a little bit easier. I enjoy, y'all may not want to hear me babble, but I just sort of enjoy not having to think about anything but actually doing the build and sort of chatting with you. Let's see here, these guys go blue at the bottom. Any Camaro fans out there, tell me what you're driving or what you want to drive. What's your fantasy car? Just any car fans. I'll even listen to Mustangs. I'm not that particular anymore. There was a time when I had some competition issues with the Mustangs. Oh, 2 of those. But I've long since outgrown that. Life's too short not to appreciate a good-looking car. Okay, let's see here. You got the red. And I still haven't figured out which end is front and which end is back yet. I'm looking forward to that moment when it sort of clicks in. 2 of those. And 2 of these. So here. There. And go. Oh, what's it? Huh? Oh, okay, yeah. There is a. I confused myself there for a second. I was looking at these rather than those. Okay. These guys. Huh. Just look down at these numbers there. These buttons have numbers on them. I don't know. They're both 5. I can't think of what that would go on. I'm looking forward to finding out here. Okay, let's see here. These guys. On those maroon dealios. Inside. Okay. Smooth. There's supposed to be some. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there's one. You're supposed to, okay, just one of those and. Okay, I guess I'm about to find out. I guess that's the only. Okay. Goes on the. This goes on the black one. This one goes on the beige one. And that's got a 5 written on it, and I still haven't figured out why. Trying to think what will be down there. All right, enough lollygagging. Let's see here. These you go on the end there. Then these, 2 of these, and that one. No, this one. Yeah, goes. So let's go there, there, and this guy here. And we're still going. And 2 of you. Yeah. And 1 of you. Okay, so you go on you. This goes on there. Okay, so their center console, because their radio goes on there. 10. And you can see in real time how bad I am at getting these things straight. Yep, it's off center. Always is with mine. Might help if I put my glasses on before I did that. Okay, so 1 on the top and these 2 guys on the white one. And you go there. Nope, other way. Yep. And you go here. Is it? No, wait a second. What? Okay, I've got that wrong somehow. Yeah, this is. Hang on. Okay, so that's right. Okay. So what's it? Okay, so like that. Yeah, I'm good. And this goes here. Yeah, okay, there we go. Now this goes here, and then that locks in there. Okay. And that goes here. Well, that solves the riddle of which way is the front end. Going that way. All right. That's still okay. So the first pilot prototype Camaro ever built, chassis number 10001, still exists and is listed in the National Historic Vehicle Register. Just a random fact in the middle of the book. Cool. All right, so back to work. 2 of these, 3 of these, 1 of you, 1 of you, 1 of you, 1 of you, and 1 of you. Okay, so take you and 1 of these guys, and our sloopy guys. Here. No, that's right. Yep. Then this. And this goes in to the feet. That says 3 of those. Where's the third one go? What is it? I missed. Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's supposed to put. Okay. The worst ones to put together is ones with flat. Okay, come on, pop off. There you go. Okay, so got our claw, and then this guy goes on. Okay, I didn't have to do all that. That one, then the smooth one. All right. You go here. So we still got that 5 showing there. Down in the center console. Maybe that's supposed to be like a nickel or something. I'm not sure. But never get that to show. I don't know if it'll even focus on it. Yeah, like I said, I don't know what that's there for. Alright, but I gotta quit lollygagging. Let's see. One of you, one of you, one of you, one of you. Okay, so you think there. It's in there, and you go front end here. Okay, we're doing the steering column now. I recognize this from the Corvette. And the U-joint. Red. Okay, so red in one end, gray in the other, yellow all the way up the red. Red goes through this one, locks you on here. So, okay. One of these and one of those. So yellow goes on the top and pop you in. Now, 2 of those guys, 1 of those guys, and 1 of these guys. Okay, so the middle. Probably easier to do one at a time. Okay. It goes on the. Okay, yeah, it goes in between those 2. So now we got the start of our steering rack. Yeah, yep, cool. Now, I'm at on time, 2 more minutes. Okay, so we're that end. Gray, beige, black slope. There. Beige, gray. All right. Now, 2 and 3 of these guys. Just go straight across. Go corner sides there. You, and 2 of you. In the middle. Guys. Together. And this is okay, yeah, it does force it. We can force it down in there where that little stubby thing. Well, I'll do this one, and that'll be the end of this. So close, but so far. Don't want to go too crazy over. Okay, so these guys, either side. Maroon guys, where y'all at? All right, that's a good place to stop us any. Got a good start on our steering rack and everything in there. I saved the mystery number 5 there for some reason. Good bit of the unibody in place. But anyways, thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.